Hey guys, how's it going? So, I guess Merry Christmas to everybody watching this. Some people might not watch it. I'm betting 90. I'm betting like 80% of my subscribers are not gonna be watching this. Well, congratulations to the 20% that actually does watch it. Well, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a great Christmas. You know, good presents, and just, have a fun time spending time with your family and friends. I know everybody would have loved a Santa rally, but what we got was a Grinch rally. Sorry, not a Grinch rally. We got a Grinch crash. The Grinch came, beat up Santa, and took his outfit and made our Christmas slightly more horrible. Well, depending on the person, I'd like to hug the Grinch because he's making me so much money, but to other people, it's not that great. Well, depending on the person, some people might be in cash and they might be hugging the Grinch. Some people that are bag holding are like, "Where's my Santa? Screw you, Grinch. Go away. I want my money back." But, it is what it is, I guess. That's life. It's history in the making. Literally, like history. The stock market just booked its ugliest Christmas Eve plunge ever. That is history in the making right there. That the stock market just plunged massively today. It plunged down 3%. The S&P 500 dropped 2.71%. The Dow was 2.9%. It was just an ugly Christmas. But cheer up. For my members, I am giving away 7. That's right, 7 Amazon $50 gift cards. In order to apply, all you have to do is log into the membership group, click on this December video of Merry Christmas to members, Merry Christmas members, and then there will be instructions on what to do in order to qualify for the $50 gift card that I will be giving away. So I just want to bring this up. I applied to I can't even say it. Trading Finality application. This is an email. Then after your purchase is completed, the email you signed up with or PayPal email used will receive an email within the link to download your application. So, link to download your application. Your first email will say your order is complete. Then you receive another email shortly after with the subject, "Your downloads are ready." This email that will contain the application. If you do not receive one after 5 minutes, please check your spam folder and contact us. Oh, okay. I might have to look and read closer. But anyways, I applied for trading this guy's YouTube channel. I kind of became a fan of his YouTube. I really like his voice. I think he has a good voice, and he's also very passionate, and he seems like he's very good at doing option trading, and he's also very rich. And on top of that, he could help me get richer. So I'm hoping I can get a hold of him. Maybe he could teach me. I could be a student of his. Maybe I want to master options. I'm pretty good. I mean, I don't know if I'm good at options or I'm bad at options, but I'm definitely a noob at options, and I'm making money. So I don't know. Like, I make a lot of money, and I'm a noob at options. So that's saying a lot. So yeah. I guess that's it of it. So I just want to get into some of the Christmas presents that I got. So I got somebody a laptop. It was a lot cheaper when I bought it, but this is the laptop I got. It's an AMD laptop. It comes with AMD's latest quad-core CPU architecture with the new graphics, integrated graphics. Has 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of SSD storage. Very, very important because your hard drive really matters when it comes to how fast your computer runs. If you're using a regular hard drive, your computer will run a lot slower. It doesn't matter how good your processor is. Your hard drive matters a lot. So always have an SSD in a computer no matter what. Yeah, so I mean, it has a 1080p screen, so it was $6.99 when I bought it, and it went up in price, so oh well. I got $100 off. $6.99 or no, it was $5.99. $5.99. So it's $200 cheaper when I bought it. I bought it at $600. This price right now is showing at $800. So what I got it at was a very good deal, but it has increased in price, and I'm lucky that I went, because on the day I looked, I saw this laptop. I was like, oh, this is a really good laptop. And so I bought it. So I because the day it was gonna expire, the sale was gonna expire the next day. So I drove all the way down to Best Buy and I bought it right away. And then my second present is a Pokemon Let's Go Eve. I know somebody who has a Nintendo Switch, so I got him a Pokemon game. And then I also gave away a lot of money. I think I gave away, I don't know, $400 or $300 of cash to people. I bought I bought a pack of pre-rolls for one of my friends who likes to smoke weed. You know, so because these are really good pre-rolls. I mean, right now I have no more pre-rolls, and I'm really tempted to open that pack and just smoke it, because the store sells out of pre-rolls really fast. Like Aurora pre-rolls come in, they sell out in a day or 2 days. Like in 1 or 2 days, they completely sell out, and they don't get new shipment until like Tuesday or Wednesday. But as soon as they come in, they sell out in a couple of days. So Aurora pre-rolls sell out fast. Aurora must be making a lot of money off pre-rolls. So I made this video because I honestly I wanted to bring out the bad in the company, and I also wanted to tell people that stop investing into Aurora, stop investing into wheat stock, basically stop investing, period. Because we're having a market crash. Unless you are an option trader, you should not be investing, because it's very dangerous right now. We're in a market crash. You should be you should try to be in as much cash as possible to you know, so when it's raining hard, you have your money or your bucket to collect those gold coins that when the stock market crashes. If you don't have any cash, you're not going to be able to take the opportunity of a lifetime. Well, I guess every 10 years there's a market crash, and right now we're having a market crash. I mean, it may not happen now, but it might happen. I think it's happening right now, to be honest. Unless we have a bounce and it stabilizes, which I highly doubt. I think we're just gonna keep go down, bounce, go down some more, bounce, go down some more, and then probably by February or by the first, I think after the second half of the year, that's when I think we'll start seeing a reversal. Because stock market crashes usually take about 6, 7, 8 months before it starts to correct itself. But we'll see though, we'll see, depending on how fast it crash, there's a lot of dependence on this whole stock crash. But I do believe we're in a stock crash. I believe we're gonna, you know, when the stock market actually crash, we're gonna hear exactly why the stock market crashed. I don't know, I wasn't around for the 2008 market crash, but all I heard was the market crash, and then the next thing I heard was, oh, the housing market in the United States crashed. I'm like, oh, okay, but in Canada, everything was fine. Everything was doing well. Our housing prices actually went up. We used to have $100,000 houses before 2007. In 2008, 2009, our housing prices went from $100,000 all the way down up to $300,000. And you know, houses that were $300,000 went up to $500,000. So, you know, Canada was having a good time. United States wasn't, but now there's talks of a housing crash in Canada. There's talks that in Canada we're gonna have a housing crash. We're in a housing market bubble right now, and it will break and it will crash the housing. I don't know about the United States. I don't live in the United States. I don't hear any. I have heard that the housing market will crash. I heard that the housing market is in a bubble in the United States. So the prices will crash. But I don't live in the United States. And Graham Stephan says that yes, prices has gone down for the houses, but he doesn't think it's going to be a crash. So I have no idea. I'm not a real estate agent. I know that real estate stocks are crashing, but real estate houses, I don't know. I think that if people lose a lot of money on the stock market, it might force them to sell their house because, you know, I don't know, because the stock market crashed, so they have less money, and then it might force them to sell their house to get some money, and everyone's trying to sell their houses. That will cause a panic and a crash, and people just walk away from their houses like 2008. That would be pretty horrible, and I mean, it's good for me because I have a lot of cash, but to people who have a house, who have stuff, not that great. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I know I'm a little bit weird. I say weird things, and I do weird stuff sometimes. But, you know, I am who I am. I can't really change who I am. But anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys subscribing and commenting and maybe disliking or liking my videos. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.